how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can buy Bitcoin on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to basically buy Bitcoin on Cash App, all you have to do is open up Cash App. Once you open up Cash App, come to the home tab here. Once you come to the home tab, tap the Bitcoin option, then just tap on buy Bitcoin. Enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to buy and then tap the next option. Verify your phone number along with your legal details if you haven't verified your account already. Then after that, you'll be able to buy the dollars worth of Bitcoin. This way you can actually buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.